I want to show you maybe you might already explored. Suppose you got some doubt or something in managing some of the application or the process. How can you take a help? The one easiest method is suppose you are in some other page. When you go to Help menu on the right-hand side, click on a Help Center. It will take you to SAP Ariba Help Portal. It is free of cost. That means it is open source now earlier, not open source. I mean it is open to the public without any restriction. Earlier. In order to go to this page, either you need to access this from an application. AREBA, spend management or some application when you are clicking, then only you will be able to come to this page. If you do not have this page, sorry. Otherwise, the general public will not have any access to this portal. Now AREBA has made it. This can be accessed by anyone without having any login details or credentials. So AREBA, anyone can open this by just going to the Help Sapcom. From there they can click on AREBA and they can get it. Anyway, once you click from Help menu on your application, then it will take you to this page. For example, you want to search something? Maybe I will say, you stuck up in some sourcing event, for example the sourcing event. I'm just clicking sourcing event. So once you search for sourcing event, the system will give you results on the right-hand side. You will also see whether it is related to a documentation. Documentation means it is a kind of a guide or reference or a theoretical material, or it will give you full documentation about that particular topic. And you will also find some FAQs. If there is a smaller solution, for example, adding how to view catalogs, how to activate a catalog. For example, see here. It will also give you FAQ. FAQ is a kind of a smaller portion of what you are active. Some people are asking. The information will be presented in a Q&A way. Here I'm asking how to activate a catalog. The system will tell you go to Manage for Administration, Catalog Manager. Under Catalogs, search for the desired catalog. Click the box in front of the desired catalog. Multiples can be done at once. Click the Activate button. A new page will appear again. Confirm the desired catalog and click the Activate button. If the checkbox is displayed or created on the new page in Step 7, there are additional steps that may need to be taken. The catalog needs to be approved. In this case, what it is saying is, when you're activating a catalog, you will directly click it. If the status is already an approved, suppose that catalog required some approval, then it will take you to another page where you need to approve, and then you will activate it. So you're going to see this information like when this was initially published, when this got updated and which belongs to. Suppose this is a small solution, but you want to understand more about activating a catalog, then you will also see the documentation. When you click on documentation, then it will give you more information. What are the steps needed? It can give you context during activation, activating a catalog. Procedure how you will activate a catalog. Now display of catalog items to users. Click on this. Displaying a catalog hierarchy. So product catalog. Display of a catalog. So like this, you can explore more without depending upon anyone. Suppose you do not have a help available, you can explore more using your own. Now, if you do not have a time but you want to take it, you can download this as a PDF. You can create this as a PDF. Once you're clicking on download, it will also give you full document or create custom PDF. Suppose you want topic related to this only, you can create a custom or click on a full document. Then entire document can be downloaded and open in a different. You can read it in a different time. So here now the navigation also will help you. SAP Ariba Procurement Solution. Catalog Administration, Display of Catalog Item. This will be a full guide. Now, if you want to see full procurement application itself, this is SAP Ariba Procurement Solution. Here you can again go through this on the right-hand side. Supplier Management, Sourcing and Contracts. SAP Ariba, Getting Started Integration. All this information is available. You can explore whenever you're having even contract complaints. How do you come? Complaints for invoicing reporting tasks, advanced reporting. You can use this administration area where we are going to see that's guided by catalog administration, intelligent configuration manager, any of this or whatnot. So all items are available. Even you can. If you want to learn furthermore using ASAP Learning Hub, then you can subscribe to. These are all will show. But once you go inside it will tell you to subscribe for a subscription. Then you will be able to access it. So if you want to learn full course about SAP Ariba procurement, this is where you see the learning journey, then that's the learning of subscription. Otherwise in the public domain, you can also explore more. Apart from this, there is another place where you are going to explore this. Once you are on a project, then you will be given ADSE access, designated support access. Maybe these topics may be repetitive. I'm just at the end, since we are in, so just the collecting it so you can go to the Connect portal, you can go to the username and credentials and system will allow you to look for more again and again product like how we are searching here. This will be public in that way. It will narrow down to your specific request. For example, second purchase request in our drive. It will guide you all this. That is one more place where you can expand more knowledge if you have system access in the DSE access in Ariba Connect. So these two places you can utilize to further explore more. Then, I will quickly show you something on Spend Management, some screens in Guided By. This is addition which we are going to see under by year and just changing to GB. %. What is guided by? So whatever, so far you have seen the application interface. It's basically for a regular procurement agents or equipment procurement people where they do their daily activities involving procurement P. R creation, requisition, monitoring invoice, reconciliation invoice. All these activities are a procurement department. They are handling procurement application. Then that is the navigation page. For example, as I mentioned in many times, if the users are, you can load a number of users into Ariba to do requisition activities. So they are casual buyers. Whenever they want to purchase something, that time only they will log in into Ariba. And other time that they do not do the login in such people or that such users. We generally call them as a casual buyers, but those casual buyers are non-technical buyers, are not procurement buyers. They want to have an easy navigation. Then guided buying is a solution for that. So, though this is a kind of a layer on top of your application, it does not have its own data. The data comes from only one source only. That is your normal procurement, where you do the administrative activity by performing goods received and, import and export task and data master data. Everything comes from your back end only. Here you have only limited access. So when you go to the guided buying, so this is called your landing page on the guided buying. You can search for the item like similarly how you do the catalog set. You can add and you will complete your requisition process. The screens which is showing stationery marketing, mouse, hardware, office supplies. These are all called tiles. If you want to add some additional tiles, so you can do that by going to the admin activity. Click on admin. Then you're going to the landing page. You can do this using managing in Excel, managing JSON, managing user interface. So by clicking on managing user interface. Post announcement here. So here you can see books, view the content. This book can be added to the tiles. Add a new item. New tile.